Happy New Year, everyone. Because I'm a horrible YouTuber, which is kind of funny that this video is about me being a YouTuber and being happy about all of you. Whatever. If you've seen the one that I posted earlier, obviously I don't want to listen to myself while I'm editing, so I deleted the audio and ta-da! But now we're back, and so we're going to do this again. And again, still, the sentiment is the same. Happy New Year, happy 2022. I hope you had a good, whatever you did, party, friends, hang out, get drunk, stay at home, whatever it was. I hope you had a really good New Year. I hope you have a good year coming up. And I'd just like to thank all of you for 2021. I surpassed my realistic sub goal for the year, so that's really cool for me. It's been fun. Obviously, this is just something I do for shits and giggles because I had a motorcycle, I had a GoPro, figured might as well make use of both of them. Obviously, it's turned into, other things, but I just want to thank you all for following, commenting, subbing, liking all the videos and all that kind of stuff, and just watching in general. Obviously, I do have to thank Super Clean again because they're super awesome, and they sent this stuff out just for the fact that they're an awesome company. If you need anything cleaning related, this stuff is awesome. The foaming stuff is my absolute favorite. If you need, that's great. They're super cool. I think I'm too much, but they are an awesome company. They're really cool to send stuff out. They're really, really good about just like customer support. I don't know how you want to say it, because something happened in the first package and they just sent out another one. They had no questions asked. They just, boom, here you go. So they're super cool for that. I appreciate you, Super Clean. Works awesome. If you need anything, check them out. They make a bunch of cool products, not just cleaning. They also do like stuff you put on the floor to absorb stuff. So that's awesome. Also, motohero.com. The description will be in the description. The link for their website will be in the description below, because they gave me some cool deals this year for some stuff. And if you need anything motor related, they have a whole bunch of stuff, some for, sales, and they're really cool. I think they're California based, if I'm not mistaken. So if you need anything from helmets, jackets, all that kind of bike related gear, go check them out. They're really cool people, and I like to support the people that support me. So obviously I'm going to give shout outs for free. I don't care. They didn't give me anything for this. They didn't give me anything for this video. This is just me saying thank you to the people who helped me. And obviously that all starts with you guys for the subs and the follows and the likes and all that kind of stuff. Obviously, without this, that wouldn't be a thing. Kind of, 2 and 2. So again, thank you very much. I really hope you have a good year. I hope you had a good New Year's. I hope you had a good Christmas, or Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa, or whatever you whatever you celebrated. That's the word. From me to you, from, the toys. Obviously, I'm not making any bike content at the moment because we still have, it's like 25 degrees outside and it's snowy. So you get ice, snow, salt, wet roads. Yeah, it's not nice. So I hope you enjoy the content that I make during the winter. Obviously, it's more news-based, more commentary, voiceover kind of stuff, because obviously I'm not gonna run the bike and just get it covered in salt and destroy it. That'd be stupid. Obviously, this one I hope to finish this winter. All I have to do is some wiring stuff, fit the seat, and figure out the pegs, and then, ride this and maybe sell it in the spring. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I kind of want to, keep a project that I can keep going. And obviously, I have a two bike shop, or garage, shed, whatever you want to call it. I don't have room to keep and start building. But from me to you, I thank you very much. If you see any of these videos and you like them, make sure to subscribe, comment. Leave a story down below, whatever you want. I don't care. Let's have a discussion. Hit the like button, do all the fun things that YouTube lets you do. I mean, you can even share it, I think. Actually, I don't know if that's a thing anymore. But again, from this side of the camera to you watching this, I thank you. Happy New Year, and yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.